If your Jeep backup camera is flickering or cutting out, the fix is usually simpler than you think. Statistically, 70% of these camera failures are caused by basic connection or wiring issues rather than the hardware. Let's start the diagnosis to determine if you need a new camera or just a quick adjustment. Begin by cleaning the lens and checking if moving the lift gate affects the video signal consistency. The most common culprits are loose wiring inside the lift gate or moisture getting into the camera itself. Try a soft reset of your Uconnect system before buying any parts to rule out software bugs. Fixing this yourself is highly recommended, as dealerships often charge 5 times the actual part cost. As you can see, labor costs at the shop often exceed the price of the camera module itself. If cleaning fails, remove the interior panel and use dielectric grease on the connector to prevent corrosion. You only need a few basic tools and some contact cleaner to get the job done right. Always remember to check your grounding wires before you commit to buying a new camera module. Double check those connections today and get your backup camera back to crystal clear quality.